3D annotation inside Data Studio. So if we just right click here, add annotation, it's one of the first options. Enter some text, in this case I'm just typing HGV because that's what the vehicle is. Click OK, and there it is in 2D, the annotation there. Select the properties for that new annotation and you'll see there's a 3D option. So click this, go down to the size, type in 1. You can put 0 point values in there to make it much smaller. I've just selected 1 here. Going up to the position tool, and the reason is just so we can rotate this round, so obviously it's facing the wrong way. Use the arrows as well to move it left, right, up and down. You can also rotate this so you can tilt it up and down. All the exact same controls that you can do for any of the other data objects can be done here for the annotation. Just turning that tool off. You'll also notice that under the properties you can change the color. So click on the 3 dots, select any color you wish,